Hi everybody. Today we're going to look at area. I'm going to look at a few shapes in particular. We're going to look at a trapezium and then a sector of a circle, and finally I'm going to do some composite shapes. So with all area, first of all, so for example, let's say we were asked to find the area of this trapezium. So you got trapezium. Let's say 7 centimeters and 11 centimeters, and then the height here is 5 centimeters. So with all area formulas, and as I mentioned in other videos, with most of measurement, you first of all write the formulas. So step 1 is formula. So the formula for trapezium is half h a plus b. Second thing you do is you substitute. So half is the same as 0.5 times h. H is the height, so 5, and then a is 7 plus b is 11. So in case you're wondering where I'm getting the a and b from, you had already been given this in your formula sheet. Ideally you'll have this written in your book somewhere: a, b, h. So working this out, so it's 18. So it's, then I do step 3 solve. So it's half times 5 times 18. So what you can use a calculator obviously here, but what I'm going to do is you can do it in your head. So half of 18 is 9. 5 nines is 45 centimeters, and because it's area, it's centimeters squared. So that was how to find the area of a trapezium. Obviously, if you want to use a calculator for this step here, feel completely free to do so. Next, I'm going to show you how to find the area of a sector of a circle. So let's say we've been given a circle here. There's we'll just move along slightly along here, and there's a bit missing out. So let's say the angle in here is 75 degrees, and the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. You've been given the circle, right? So you're asked to find the shaded area, and this is the shaded area. Let's just say you're asked to find the shaded area. So you want to find what's inside the circle. Hopefully you remember that the whole around the circle is equal to, all the ways around the circle is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, if we just want to find the inside area, we want to find this much left. So to find what the angle is here, you need to go 360 minus 75, and your answer is 285 degrees. So this bit here is 285 degrees. In case you're wondering why I need to know that, the reason you need to know that is because to find the area of a sector, the formula is equal to the angle divided by 360 times pi r squared. So if you remember this is the area of a normal circle, but because we're not using a whole circle, we're actually using a fraction of the circle. And to get the fraction, you take how much you need. So here it's going to be 280. So secondly, we substitute. So it's 285 divided by 360 times pi r squared. So instead of r, I'm putting in 4 squared. I'm going to use my calculator for this one. So again, this time I'm going to show you the calculator. So you got 285 divided by 360. So you got 0.79 times pi times 4 squared, and my answer down here then is 39 point, and I'm going to go to 2 decimal places. This is the 3, so therefore this one stays the same, 79. And again, we had centimeters here, so again I'm just going to stick the centimeters here. So it's centimeters, and because it's area, it's centimeters squared. Finally, I'm going to show you today, we're going to show you how to do area of a composite shape. So let's say very simple one. We'll just do a house. So you have a rectangular base, and then you have a pointy roof. Right, what's that house? 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and the height of the perpendicular height of the triangle is 4 centimeters. So essentially here, this is a composite shape. It's comprised or made up of two or more shapes. So you got a triangle and you got a rectangle. So to find the total, to find the area of the whole composite shape, it's a rectangle plus triangle. So essentially then we write the formula. So the formula for a rectangle is length times width, plus formula for a triangle is half base times height. Here, substitute the length of the rectangle, 10 times the height of the rectangle, 5, again we can put this in brackets, plus half, bracket again, the base of the triangle, so the base here is 10 times, and then the perpendicular height, so the height straight up of the rectangle of the triangle is 4 centimeters times 4, and then you solve 5 tens is 50 plus 4 tens is 40, half of 40 is 20. Again, you can feel completely free to use a calculator here if you wish. Answer is 70. We had centimeters, it's area, so it's centimeters squared. So again, I hope this helps. Feel free to watch the video as many times as necessary. Also, if you're still unclear, feel free to approach your teacher or myself for help. Best wishes. Take it easy. Bye bye.